Welcome back to my channel again. In this video we are going to solve a BCSE past paper of 2025 biology. So section B question number 2 the section B question number 2. So study the figure given below and answer the questions that follow. So any diagram digestive system game. So question number 1 says label the part A and C. So label the part A and C. The A and C में. So अनि A दिखा में A is liver. A is liver and C is pancreas. Okay. So question number 2 gide. Describe any one structural adaptations of the part level D. Firstly, part level D दिखा small intestine में. Small intestine. So small intestine nalo adaptations kasido structural adaptations dikasido has villi vade adaptations dekhongli villi tele kasido small intestine is long and folded folded koimo tele lastly the third question is what is the role of hydrochloric acid present in the part level B? Firstly, the part level B stomach. The stomach has hydrochloric acid. So what is the role of hydrochloric acid in stomach? So hydrochloric acid HCl role is to activate enzymes activate them and also kill the harmful microorganism the main role of hydrochloric acid is to activate digestive enzymes and kill the harmful microorganisms. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.